In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock an email address in Outlook. If messages you expect are landing in junk or not arriving at all, the sender may be on your block list. I'll show you how to remove them in Outlook on the web and the new Outlook app, and then in the classic Outlook desktop app. Follow along with the version you use most often. Let's start with Outlook on the web and the new Outlook. These share the same settings, so the process is identical. Open Outlook, then look to the top right for the gear icon, which opens Settings. Scroll to the bottom of the panel and choose View All Outlook Settings to get the full set of options. In the window that opens, select Mail on the left, then choose Junk Email. You'll see a section labeled Block Senders and Domains. This is the list that tells Outlook to automatically filter mail from those addresses. Find the address or domain you want to allow again. If the entire domain is blocked, removing it will unblock every address from that domain, so double-check you're removing exactly what you intend. When you're ready, click the trash can icon next to the entry to remove it from the block list. Before you close the window, make sure to click Save. If you skip saving, your change won't stick. After saving, future messages from that sender should bypass the junk folder. If you're expecting something urgent, take a quick look in junk and move any recent messages from that sender to your inbox. Now, for the classic Outlook desktop app, the controls are in the ribbon. With Outlook open, go to the Home tab. Find the Junk button and click the small arrow to open its menu, then choose Junk Email Options. A window will appear with several tabs. Switch to the Block Senders tab. This tab lists all block addresses and domains for the desktop client. Select the address or domain you want to unblock, then click Remove. That takes it off the block list. To make the change take effect, click Apply, then click OK to close the window. From here on, new messages from that sender should arrive in your inbox. If you still don't see them, give Outlook a moment to sync, and check your junk folder just in case a recent message arrived before you made the change. That's it. You've unblocked an email address in both Outlook on the web and the classic desktop app. Thanks for watching.